If you juice every day like I do, this has been one of my favorite upgrades. I've been juicing for about 3 years now, so I've gone through a few machines, and this one just makes everything easier. This is the Nama J2, and the self-feeding hopper is the biggest difference. You can load your entire recipe at once instead of feeding everything piece by piece, and you just let it run while you do something else. It saves so much time, especially when you're making juice daily like I do. It also handles everything really well. Fruits, greens, harder veggies, and you get a really good amount of juice out of it without a lot of waste. It runs super quiet too, which I didn't expect, so it's not disruptive at all. I also like that the little details, like the juicer comes with I also like the little details, like the juice container with the lid and pour spout. It just makes it easier to store and pour without making a mess. Cleanup is way better than older models I've used. Everything comes apart easily, and it doesn't feel like a whole project after you're done juicing. Overall, if you're serious about juicing or you want something that actually makes you stick with it, this has been 100% worth it for me. I would buy this over and over and over again, and I just love Nama's products.